Hello everyone, my name is Sujin Lee. I am the Executive Director of Yellow Chair Collective, and today we are talking about where you belong, cultural identity as part of healing. This is in connection with the book Where I Belong, Healing Trauma and Embracing Asian American Identity, where myself and Linda Yoon have co-authored. And we are talking about storytelling, connection, and a sense of belonging within the AAPI community. And so to get us started, I wanted to introduce within this first 5 minutes a moment of a quick exercise, a mindfulness exercise. It's one of the first grounding exercises in the book to introduce you to this calming activity for us to get started. Because sometimes talking about trauma and intergenerational topics can get a little bit heavy for us. And so if you would like to join me, go ahead and take a seat, lie down, close your eyes if that feels comforting for you, and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. In through your nose and out through your mouth. And go ahead and in your mind's eye, make an image of an outline of a house. In the house, you are going to be making a collage of these different prompts and the answers that are coming up for you. First is, what moments this week are you grateful for? All the moments that are coming up for you, go ahead and put it into this house. And who are the people in your life that help you through hard times? Go ahead and put it into this house. All the different people and faces that are coming to mind for you. And lastly, what is one gift you have received in the past that has brought you joy? Go ahead and think of that gift and put it into this house. Just breathe in, breathe out, and look at the collection of all the things that you're grateful for, the people in your lives, and the gifts you have received. Notice how you're feeling in your body and in your mind. And breathe in all that sense of excitement, joy, gratefulness, and calmness. And breathe out. And when you're ready, go ahead and flutter your eyes open. Okay. And again, we just have a very few minutes to talk about some of the things that we went over in our presentation today. One is called the ghost in our families. When we talk about intergenerational trauma, I like to describe it as a pain that has been passed down through families or generations. And this generational pain that has been passed down, if it doesn't really get processed or verbalized, then it lingers in our families. And that lingering feeling, emotions, knowledge, whatever it is that pain point looks like, to me, it kind of feels like a ghost in the family. And I describe it as a way that it gets passed down. So for example, for my own family, my grandmother had a loss of home through war. And so to her, what is home, a place that is called home, was something that was really important in thinking about, and that's been passed down to me as well as also an immigrant. And for her, making sure to show sacrifice as a woman was a way to find a sense of home and sense of belonging. And that message has been passed down to my mom, who then passed down it to me. And so for me, as a woman, I do identify myself so much as a caretaker, as somebody that makes a lot more sacrifices than anyone else in the family. And I always question, who am I if I don't take care of others? that is a ghost in the family that we live in. Part of finding this generational healing having to do with the journey of figuring out our sense of belonging, where I get to accept all parts of myself and then be curious about validating other people's experiences, as well as finding a sense of commonality in joy and fun, in which I bring a lot of sense of fun and joy back into my life. That's been my intergenerational healing journey. So the question I want to leave you with last is, well, what does reclaiming your identity and your intergenerational trauma look like to you? Thank you for joining me today. Again, my name is Sujin Lee, and you can find more about my work at Yellow Chair Collective. Thank you.